He's
Jim?
over here.
Jim?
He's over there.
Oh, hey, Jim, there you are. Hey, how are you doing? Well, Jake, I thought we were going diving today.
Oh, I've been diving. It was great. I memorized a few Bible verses for my life jacket.
Yeah.
But, you know, Jesus wept was the shortest verse in the Bible.
Yeah?
It's a ship.
Well, I can't believe it. You went diving a few times and now you're done?
Yeah, I think so. Aren't you?
No. I want to dive every day. I need to dive every day. There's too much to explore, to learn, to just do it a few times.
I know, but not today.
Okay, then when? When, Jake? A month from now? A year from now?
We won't be here that long. This series ends in a few weeks.
Well, right. So we need to dive today.
We do?
Oh, yeah. And we need to keep on diving every day.
Until when?
Well, there's no until when. I gotta keep on studying God's Word until the day I see Jesus face to face. I want to explore every corner of the Bible. I want to know God's will, and I want to live it.
Wow, you're really passionate about it. I mean, it almost makes me want to go get my diving gear.
Well, then do it.
Today?
Yes. Today, tomorrow, and every day.
The rest of our lives, huh?
Believe it, Jake. It's going to be worth it.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.